Hi, I'm Roger Batchelor from Denon and welcome to the Denon room at the Bristol Sound and Vision Show 2010. We're launching a new product here at the show, something a little bit different from Denon this year in the way of an all-in-one Blu-ray DVD receiver called the CARA. Rather than having a model number, we've got a name for it this time around. And this is the unit here. You can see it, very sleek system. As I say, with the Blu-ray transport, obviously for DVD as well. 5.1 channel digital amplifiers built in, all new digital amplification, 75 watts per channel, 5.1. You can expand that to additional channels if you wish to, for height channels for Dolby Pro Logic 2Z, where you have the height channels, for example. We also have multi-zone capabilities on the product so that you can run picture and sound to another room from the disc transport and perhaps other devices you've got plugged into the back. So it's designed to be as simple to use as possible, but with as much flexibility as possible. And one of the key things with the system is that the choice of loudspeakers is very much up to the customer. There's a lot of choice of 5.1 and obviously 2.1 speaker packages on the market. So we allow the customer and the retailer to choose the speaker system rather than trying to impose a particular package with the system. When you're running it in 5-channel mode, Dolby and DTS surround sound will be reproduced, of course, in the full 5 channels. When you play a stereo CD, the amplifiers for the rear channels that are no longer being used are bridged with the front channels in what we call parallel drive to give you 150 watts per channel, left and right, as opposed to the 75 watts per channel for normal use. So improving the sound quality for your CD music and so on. Or of course anything that you plug in from another source such as an iPod. And your iPod can plug in 2 different ways. In the front here there's a direct USB iPod input. You can also plug other USB devices in there to stream the music. We also have built in what we call the Denon Audio Restorer, which restores any compressed music files back up to sort of CD level quality. We can also plug an iPod into the back using a Denon iPod dock. You can expand the system, in fact, with our Wi-Fi iPod dock, which gives you networking capabilities, audio streaming, Wi-Fi streaming from your PC music, and also network radio built in, web radio built in as well. Other inputs on the back, analog and HDMI inputs on the back, and outputs to multi-zone for a second room so that you can play audio and video through to another room as well. But really the whole idea of the system is to be as easy to use and simple to run as possible. Plug it into your television, plug your setup microphone into the front panel here, hidden under the door, and with a simple procedure on the remote control, we've got the buttons hidden on the back for doing the setup, which you do once only. And once the microphone has detected the speakers and set the right calibration for the audio, you'll get the very best sound from the system. The system will be tuned to your room and away you go. We've got a one-touch button on the front here, so if a disc is loaded already, press the one-touch button and you go automatically into play the music or DVD disc. So simplicity but high quality, and the disc transport in the machine is from the Denon DBP 4010 universal disc player, which itself is £1,950, and that's the transport we're using in here. All new digital amplifiers, 75 watts per channel as I mentioned, to give you really an all-in-one complete AV system. Released at the end of March 2010, selling for £2,000. And if you'd like more information, go to denon.co.uk.